Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the private DNS in your Poco X6 Pro. So to do this operation, go to settings, then scroll down and go to the more connectivity option. And there is an option Private DNS. So click on it, and as you see, we have an auto option. So you can disable it by clicking off. And you can Private DNS provider hostname, username. You can write the username of your DNS, and as you see, in this case we don't have no internet access in this case because I write in the username. Yep. So go to the auto. You can disable it if you wish. Yep. And many more about the DNS. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.